What's very funny is that I've got an assistant here, and we would like to welcome you to our latest listing in Waterfall Village Estate. It's walk away from Clubhouse, and it is a beautiful family home, much loved, decorated beautifully, and ready to welcome its new family. So follow me and my trusted assistant to have a look at the house. What we have is a beautiful entrance hall. It gives you the sunlight from the glass doors and some space for a side table to display your beautiful plants and of course to put your sanitizer for COVID times. And immediately to the right of the entrance we have access to the double garage. And then we walk straight into the living space, and we have 3 different living spaces in this house, which is a great opportunity to have the children in one side. We've got the formal lounge here, and of course TV and space for large couches. Right after the formal lounge we have the dining room area, and what I really love here is that this whole space invites you to entertain and cook in style whilst chatting to your friends. Straight from there you've got the beautiful kitchen. It's a modern country style look with a very soft cream and grey undertones, and a large breakfast nook, the Caesar stone countertop here. It also has a gas oven. The house also has a spacious scullery area. And around the corner you have a domestic room with a separate bathroom that can be accessed with a different door by the gardener or any worker outside of the house. And we have an air conditioner to keep the temperature warm or cold depending on the season. You will also notice doors are folding out into the garden from every living space of this house, and you can enjoy your garden and your pool area with the most cozy and private view of your space. We are now walking into the enclosed patio area. What they've done is they've kept it slightly separate, however it is enclosed as well with folding doors, and that way you get the use of the space throughout the year. And of course you've got extra space for seating and for bigger parties when you're socializing. And yet another living space we've got here that can be closed off and kept separate is the family room, heated with a beautiful fireplace. And this would be your TV room, kids play area, and just another area to keep cozy in winter time. The garden is absolutely great. It's very private and it gives you a lot of space. You can see the kids have been playing soccer here or maybe hockey. You also have an extra carport area, and you can see they're utilizing it fully for an additional vehicle. So over and above the 2 garages, we also have the carport area. And across on the other side, we have a sparkling swimming pool. And of course, right next to the swimming pool, we have our braai. Bedroom number 4. And a very nice, neat and private toilet and shower right next to the bedroom, serving the bedroom as well as serving as a guest toilet. We're heading for the staircase now to go upstairs and have a look at the family pyjama lounge and 3 bedrooms. And you'll notice this little door next to the staircase. It's a massive storage room under the stairs. Up the staircase, we walk straight into the pyjama lounge. And what I absolutely love about this pyjama lounge is the skylights. We have 3 skylights, and we have windows surrounding the whole staircase landing and pyjama lounge area. So it is super bright and sunny, very cozy and very comfortable for the family. It also has an air conditioner, so you can heat it or cool it as fast as you wish. The upstairs family space has 3 bedrooms, 2 children rooms and the master bedroom. The 2 children's rooms share a double basin bathroom with a shower and bath. Walking towards The first bedroom upstairs, first we're going to see the linen cupboard, and it's quite a big space. And then straight into the bedroom. All the rooms upstairs are also with the laminate wooden flooring, and all of them feature these beautiful white exposed ceiling beams that add extra volume to the rooms, and it just makes it modern contemporary. You have the white aluminium window frames and the white blinds, so everything is fresh, modern, and very cozy looking. Heading for the shared bathroom. It's a very generous bathroom, double basin, so there won't be any fighting over who brushes their teeth first, as if my kids never fight about that. Double shower and a nice modern bath and toilet. And here is the cutest little girl's room, again big enough for a queen size bed and a desk and lots of cupboard space. And everything is beautifully painted, fresh, ready to move. Straight into the master bedroom, ensuite of course, with a beautiful walk-in closet and very nice shoe racks to store all your beautiful shoes. Nice space as well. You've got windows overlooking your garden, as well as a scenic window looking out into Waterfall. The exposed double volume ceiling beams, space for your king size bed and for a couch, and big bath and double basin.
Love this family home. It is sunny, it is located in the perfect spot in Waterfall Village Estate. It is private, it has enough space in the garden for the kids to run around. It has multiple living rooms, plenty of sunlight, and all the bedrooms that you need for a good, comfortable family life. Come and have a look.